Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Testing Adda. So in this lecture we will learn about this particular line of code WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, and why do we write it like this only. So that we'll understand in this particular lecture. So as you can see from the diagram, we have written WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Here WebDriver is an interface, driver is a reference object, and Chrome driver is a class. So uh, WebDriver driver, this line declares a reference variable named driver of type WebDriver. Okay, WebDriver is an interface that represents browser driver, and new Chrome driver, this part creates a new instance of Chrome driver class and assigns it to the driver variable. Okay, so Chrome driver is a concrete implementation of WebDriver interface that allows you to control a Chrome browser. This is also called as dynamic polymorphism or runtime polymorphism. And why do we write like this only? Why can't we write WebDriver driver equals to new WebDriver? Okay, I'll explain you that. So let's say if we write like uh, Chrome driver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay, so if we write like this, technically this should work. You can start writing your code with this snippet. Okay, but when we automate any web application, we must cover automation framework for all the supported browser, right? Uh, that is what we call cross browser testing. So it should work on Firefox, any Safari, so any browser. So that we must create that uh, flexibility we must create. So that is why we do like this driver equals to new Chrome driver, so that you can change this browser driver as per your need. So let's say if you have to uh, write on Firefox driver, so you can change this line to new Firefox driver, and this will work on Firefox browser. Okay, actually as per the Java concept, if you create an object using new keyword, uh, it will initiate a constructor of that particular class, right? So we have object of Chrome driver class, so it will only work with Chrome browser. Okay, this will create problem if let's say we want to perform cross browser testing, like writing script on different browsers, Firefox, Edge, etc. So for that you will have to create another instance of another browser using new keyword. So in that case you will have to write like Firefox driver um, one equals to new Firefox driver. So you will have to keep doing like this for every browser. Instead, we can create a reference variable of WebDriver interface and cast it to browser like this, like this thing what we have written initially. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay. Now you can write script for any browser and simply change the definition statement as WebDriver driver equals to new Firefox driver. So here you only have to change this web driver equals to new Firefox driver. Okay, that is why we write like this. I think you got the point. Okay, thank you.